Hey, Jonathan from Key Digital here at ISE. Welcome to our booth where we're going to show you our conference room in a box BYOD solution that'll enable any of your colleagues to come into the conference room and become the presenter utilizing any conferencing software that you wish with our KD UPS 52U integrated system. This system includes our PTZ camera through our HD-Base-T receiver into the switcher, and ultimately your end user interface is our X4x1 WUTX with HDMI, USB-C, and DisplayPort connectivity, CEC control of your displays and monitor, and source selection here or auto switching. But what makes this system so powerful is the ease of installation. The app communicates to the presentation switcher, which will convert IP to RS-232 so that our amplifier can be controlled directly from the presentation switcher. And we hop RS-232 commands to the HD-Base-T output to control the camera, which is typically located right there at that display connection. So when we go into the Key Digital Management software, which is our universal management software, and I tell the system that I have an amplifier, and I apply that setting, now you see we now have a control panel for video switching, audio control, display control via CEC, and even camera control, all in a free app that gives you everything you need for you and your end user. And for more information on this system, you just go to keydigital.com.